Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Action. This is Divyansh. You're watching part 3 of our option strategy um, series 1. Series 1 comprises of basic, series 2 comprises of advanced level, and series 3 comprises of complex level strategy. If you are new to this channel, then definitely watch all the series available on my playlist on our YouTube channel Tech Action. Before watching this video, I always recommend viewers to make note of this video, because by only watching video you will not be able to remember important points. Let's begin. I hope you all are familiar to this graph. I hope you all are familiar to this graph. If not, watch series 1, part 1, part 2. Okay, anyways, let us go through our strategy. Bearish strategy, long put, also known as bear long put. This works on when you are very bullish over index, stock, or whatever. In this strategy, simply buy put option. Risk limited to your premium. That means the premium you pay is only your loss. Okay, reward is unlimited. Theoretically, it is unlimited, um, and the reality is when the market goes, how much the market goes up, is that your profit. Break even point, strike price minus premium. Remember the formula, further we will use it. I have told you break even point differ from strategy to strategy. Profit and profit points come. Profit when index goes down and option exercised. Do you know what option exercised means? I'll tell you. This means seller of the put option paying you, which is your profit. I once again repeating. This means seller or seller of the put option is paying you, which is your profit. Okay, so let's come to our loss point. Max loss when index goes up and option not exercised. That means you are paying premium to the seller of put option. You are paying premium to seller of the put option. Okay, I hope this much is clear or crystal clear. All crystal clear. Okay, let's take an example. um, for example, we buy a put, and bank nifty spot price 8,900, and strike put the put strike price is 8,800, premium is 400. So now what is the break even point? So break even point is the strike price minus premium, which is our break-even point. 8,000 minus 400, it is equal to 8,400. Here is your formula: break-even, strike price minus premium. And here we can see the chart. um, Focus on fourth row. Focus on fourth row. The first column, start from last column of fourth row. This is when Nifty goes down from 9,000 to 8,800, then you have loss of 10,000. At 8,600, 5,000 loss. At 8,400, this is our break-even point: no profit, no loss, zero. And 8,200, 5,000 is our profit. At 8,000, we have 10,000 profit. So this is a case we are talking about on the day of expiry. Let's move on. This you can see, slowly, gradually, our loss is decreasing and profit is increasing if market goes down. Okay, now finally comes the main part. This is our graph. You have to understand this graph carefully. 8,400, this is your break-even point. After that you have enough profit, huge profit. Depends on market, how much market goes up. And here you have limited loss. The red cap shows you have limited loss, and the king crown is showing you have unlimited profit. I hope guys you are trading well. So we'll meet in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep earning. Happy trading. See ya, have a good day, and bye.